Okay, so we just got here to Robie, Texas. We're staying at a campground because there were no harvest hosts around. Just kind of in the back parking lot of the campground that's over here. Let me kind of show you guys around a little bit. Just nothing special, nothing spectacular probably to see here. We are headed out to go check ourselves Tex-Mex restaurant on this beautiful day. So the idea is to enjoy the day that God gave us. So today's Sunday. Take your family out to dinner, lunch, and just enjoy the rest of the day and try to get some more videos out if willing. Stay tuned. Okay, so we just got here to Lake Brown State Park and it is absolutely beautiful over here. This is what I was expecting. Here's where we're parked. Got a look out over the lake. There's a fishing pier over there. We're gonna end up borrowing some fishing poles. What kind of animal do we have over here? What is that? It's looking at me. It's hiding. It's a Cristiano. It's a boll weevil. Yeah, there you have it. We're parked right here again. Just kind of give you a show. The fishing pier's down over there. Definitely beautiful out there. Got prickly pear cactuses with prickly pears on it. Definitely a nice state park to park your RV. So here's the lake. Reminds me of the St. Johns River, pretty much. Exactly like the St. Johns River in Florida, all day, every day.
Today we have this beautiful day here in Lashford, Texas, I think. I don't know. I don't actually know. You should see the view. Beautiful. I mean, the things are in the way a bunch, but like pretty cool. Not gonna lie. My mom likes to collect these prickly pears. You see them? The edible that she says. She says they're edible, but I don't know if they are. And I'm gonna show you that view again. Well, I'm gonna show you it yet, but I'm gonna show you now. It's kind of hard for you guys to see, but it's really beautiful. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna go to the fishing pier. It's a pretty long hike. I think my sister said somewhere that it's like 2.7 miles. I kind of believe her, but I don't see no guide over here. All I see is a bunch of campers, beauty, and some insects. Today we were done driving from the lake and we saw these deers. They were really fun. These trees here are like, look kind of weird. Let me show you. I mean, if I were to say that looks pretty cool. I'm ancient Stone Age man. You shall face my wrath. For you now before the dinosaur, and I shall destroy little brother diarrhea man. I'm gonna try to get this prickly pear off. That's actually kind of hard. That's like glued to there. Insane clubman power. It worked. I'm gonna try to get the prickly pear off the characters. Last one wasn't really ripe, so let's try this. I'm gonna go for that one right there. That was pretty easy.
Okay, so Cristiano and I are gonna be going on a morning hike. I thought it was a little bit too much to do this with the entire family, so I figured we'd do with just the boys. It's getting started today on this beautiful morning, this hike. So Cristiano and I discovered this pier over here just coming out of the woods, and it is definitely beautiful. It's really early right now. I'd say it's probably about 7:30, but beautiful start to a day. We're gonna be heading to a drive-in tonight about 100 miles away. So if you like this content and you enjoy the channel, go ahead and hit like and subscribe to get informed on the latest trips we take and the tools that are out there. Talk to you soon.